All right, welcome back to writing. So this week we're going to talk about adjectives and using adjectives when we're writing our personal stories. So I have my chart behind me that I'm sad you weren't able to create with me, but that's okay. So I wrote adjective and I have describing word because an adjective is a describing word. Now this fits really nicely with what we're doing in our reading this week, which is using our 5 senses to visualize, because you use your senses when you're thinking up describing words too. So for today, we're just going to talk about some different things that you would describe in a story. Then I'm going to give you a link to a book that uses some really good describing words, and I want you to just listen to it and see if you can pick out some of the describing words that author used. So you can use words to describe how something feels. Again, that's our sense. So things like soft or sharp or rough or smooth. You can use something to describe how it smells. So you could say it smelled like cinnamon. The cookies smelled like chocolate. How it looks. So what does it look like? And you can use some really specific words for that, like what size is it? What color is it? How many are there? So what are you seeing? How something sounds. So is it loud, noisy? Is it a fire truck siren? What are you describing in your first personal story? How something tastes. So if you're talking about a strawberry, is it a juicy strawberry? Is it a sweet strawberry? Is it a disgusting cookie? And what something does. You can describe what something does. So is it running super fast? Is it walking super slow? What's going on? So I want you to listen today to the story on YouTube, and I want you to just pick out some really good describing words. See if you can find 3 describing words in the book that I gave you. And then it's your turn to write about whatever you want. Maybe use some describing words if you remember. Awesome.